You just yawned, or you're about to. Just reading the word does it. And that reflex is not random. It is your brain running an empathy test on itself. Contagious yawning is hardwired into the same network that lets you feel what other people feel. Mirror neurons fire. Your brain mirrors their state automatically. Here's the part that stops people cold. In controlled studies, people with psychopathic traits simply do not catch yawns. The reflex does not trigger. Nothing fires. So the next time someone yawns near you and you feel nothing, that is worth noticing.